SOS Stem the Tide of Plastic Pollution. Team LLC Lahore. Be the part of solution, not the part of pollution. Our team members Iman Jawad, Manal Munir, Khatija Tabassum. Our challenge was to identify the plastic problem, suggesting ideas to make a change, and then developing a vehicle to clean up our shores. Our project outline was based on assessing the dangers of plastic, choosing Pasni's shore for cleanup by developing an amphibious vehicle. Devised strategies for collection included vehicle only, vehicle and bin car, vehicle, bin car and bulldozer arm, and vehicle, bin car, bulldozer arm with drone monitoring the operations. Booted procedure was to select an area, cordoning it off, checking the plastic type, and then selecting a suitable strategy. Then equipping the vehicle and sending it for a test drive and eventually commencing the collection procedure. Only covering 300 meters at a time, then giving rest for 5 minutes after every 300 meter. After collection, running the flowchart in the report for plastic disposal. Amphibious vehicle, design ideas, reasons, working and collection procedure. Vehicle's tires with revolvers will help increase its mobility as car can move in any possible direction and therefore also reach inaccessible areas. Detachable collectors so vehicle can change between them on different surfaces. Robotic arm with suction cups on land so it picks items easily on mud as well. A claw with net to carry collection on water surface. Excavator arm to loosen up mud. Sensors on vehicle help for data collection. Potential safety aspects included insulated wires for robotics work, keeping in mind the danger of a Stola wiper, operating in sunny weather when the sea is calm, operating from a base camp to avoid sharp objects, always keeping a first aid kit and a fire extinguisher, and keeping body parts away from vehicle tires to avoid injury. Proximity sensors on vehicle to detect any animal or hurdle near them, and warning signals for out of range, 300 meters covered, or low battery. Project evaluation. What we learned from the project was programming structures, how important community involvement is, about online tools, about Pasni's problems and its tourism potential, and the intensity of plastic problem there. Skills we developed were tech-savvy skills, becoming detail-oriented, doing scheduling, exploring, drawing skills from illustrations, and resource management skills. We gained assistance from our teacher in form of guidance from our robotics president, electrician who helped with wiring, friends and family suggestions, and Canva for making a report, video, and design. Successful designs and experiments included weighing system in the bin car, conveyor belts in water from which plastic could not climb up. Algorithm errors. We had to undergo series of debugging to eliminate errors. Power supply source was only taken from solar panel and windmill toys. Bluetooth devices had delays, so we had to use Arduino Wi-Fi instead. Issues we had to tackle included decision making, no physical meetups, transporting vehicle to each team member's house for work, and the closure of markets so robotic arm parts were not available. Resource problems occurred due to faulty sensors, robotic parts which were not available so images were drawn, video editors which charged for premium services. Would have changed our vehicle that could have been a proper boat which could move and probe on land as well. It would have more space and flat surfaces for more alterations to be made. Instead of a car to boat vehicle, we would have chosen to do a boat to car vehicle. The most important thing that we learned was that even at a time of a pandemic, teamwork was most important. And while adapting to the new normal, we were able to do everything from our homes, and that's how technology advances have changed all of us. We decided to use the conveyor belt for plastic collection from water. However, when we tested, it failed to collect plastic. At this point, we were worried the most as of how to carry collection in water. And after much brainstorming, we decided to use claw with net, which efficiently collected waste from water surface. There should have been a budget that should have been above £50. Word limit should have been more. Also, finalists should have been chosen from the report round only, and then moving to other rounds. At the end, we would like to thank British International Education Association for the STEM Youth Innovation Challenge to provide us with an opportunity to fight the global plastic problem. This is me, Iman Jawad from Team LLC Lahore. Thank you.